So, they're friendly. The bench is wet. You asked for it.
I did ask for it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Take care.
Thanks, you made his day. It's probably 40 in the high 40s, but it was raining early this morning, and it's getting cooler out and a little bit windy as we speak. Usually the weather and I are we're about a day and a half to 2 days. I guess in front of it. So when snow's hitting there, it's usually coming our way, and wind. Hi, Carol. Hey, Roger. Hey, Richard. That's Squeak. She's 12 and a half. On the Upper East Side of Manhattan. The only thing that startles Walter or Junior is people who are not moving and almost frozen like a statue. He gets a little freaked out by that. Every once in a while I'll walk through the door with my bicycle helmet on, and he might not recognize me. Today he saw me on the street when I came home, and he wasn't sure it was me. He started to bark and growl, and then I had to like remove my helmet so he knew it was me, and then he got all excited. But he gets freaked out by things like that. Sometimes people who are just standing still. She's an old girl. but the noise of the city, no. He acclimated to the city very quickly. We got him, he was 14 and a half weeks or so from Indiana, and he was out on the street walking around every day. So nothing really startles him. He'll bark occasionally, but the noise, and no, doesn't get excited. Hi, Edith. Squeak is his adopted mom.
How is he so still?
Oh, it is real. It's a real dog.
Beautiful.
We didn't even know if it was real or not.
Please take a picture. We gotta send it to the girls. Oh Are they cold? Because they're short hair. They seem like they need to have a jacket on.
He's insulated.
You think? Well,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay. Wait. Can I get a picture? Okay. Mark, take a picture. There you go, You're a big one. You're real big. Yeah, you're big. Oh my goodness. But now we're ignoring this one. Here, come on. We can't ignore you. Looks real nice. Everybody looks real nice. Yes, you do. My goodness. You're like what? 90 pounds? Like
Nah, he's like 70.
70.
Nearly 70.
I did small.
He's
70
thick.
pounds. Mark, 70 pounds. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Keep warm.
Bye. Thank you.
Oh, shoot, I forgot my coat.
Oh, no, go get it. Go get it.
Wow.
You
So,
need to go get it.
they go from the
No.
Oh, Medina from the Albany, right?
Yes.
When we were
You were just
14, wow. The oldest bulldogs I've seen in the city have been 13, 13 and a half. I've never seen one that was 14 though. She's got arthritis, so she moves really slow at a snail's pace. Yeah, he's big boned. He's wearing a Trump yarmulke. That's a first. I've never seen a Trump yarmulke.
Oh my god, look at that dog. He's so cute. I have to take a picture. Wait, are you the owner?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was like, wait, mood. Do you get this all the time?
Yeah,
People
he-
take photos?
yeah,
Is this
actually-
your spot?
It's his favorite spot.
Really?
It's one of them. Yeah. You can't walk by the bench without him stopping and
Oh
then
my god, that's so
wanting
adorable.
me to help him up the rest of the way.
Oh my god.
This is so good. This is my mood.
He'll sit out here all day.
He's my spirit animal. Can I pet him?
Yeah, he's super friendly. Go ahead.
Is he friendly?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Walter White Jr.
Walter White. Walter White.
He's so cute. You should get him an Instagram account.
He does.
He has one?
Yeah, go follow him.
Is he
At
famous?
Walter White?
Yeah. J. Walter White.
J. Walter White? Like,
Yeah.
Famous.
is he friends with Pooch in the city?
I've not met Pooch, but is he on the Upper East Side of Bulldog?
No, he goes to it's like this gay couple. I think they live in the West Village, but they always go to Madison Square Park.
Ah.
And it's these two poodles. They're very cute. They're always wearing clothes.
Ah.
So when you see them naked, it's like you feel like you're seeing something weird. What is his name?
J. Walter White.
J.
Walter White, yeah.
White. Oh, I found him. I'm gonna follow him. So this is Pooch in the City. Pooch of NYC. This is him and his brother.
Oh.
See?
Yeah, they have fun.
Yeah, they have fun with them. Woo.
That's pretty fun. Wow.
But he has this is his brother, Freddie Tinkle, little Freddie
Sorry.
Tinkles.
I gotta follow Pooch in the City.
Pooch in the City and little Freddie Tinkles. Pooch of NYC.
Who's his brother?
That's his adopted mom, Squeak. Squeak. She's 12
That's
and a-
his mom.
Well, his adopted mom. She's 12 and a half. Yeah, he just rests
How old
his
is
chin
he?
on 2.5.
He's 2.5.
Cute. Is he like a bulldog?
Yeah.
Full?
Yeah.
Look at your roll.
I love him. I'm gonna tag you in my post, I promise.
Okay.
Bye. Enjoy your bed.
Thanks. Bye. It's getting cold. Time to head back in. Thanks, everyone. Bye. Little lady's a big girl. Bye, Heather. Bye, everybody.